An unexpected development for Captain Enrique Stefanini di Sacco. He and his first officer, Kleiber Lima, have just learned that the heavy rain has temporarily shut down runway 35L. When the crew gets news that runway 35L is back in operation,
3054 35L is the active runway.
there's no need to divert.
Hurry. The wind is 330 at 8 knots.
The captain decides to take over the controls himself.
Land green, manual flight.
He wants to bring the plane in as close to the runway threshold as possible. The A320's only working reverser. But the plane is not slowing down.